morning, guys. It is 10:30. My beautiful wife is over there in pain, getting her advent calendar. Her back hurts, bless her.
It's also working out. Give a Christmas hug.
Christmas hug! Christmas hug! Christmas hug.
Okay, we have a gingerbread
I can give you a
man.
Christmas hug.
They don't look like a gingerbread man.
Christmas hug.
Want that anything else?
Yeah. Christmas hug. Yeah. Okay, you want. What do I get? I wonder what I get. Give a Christmas hug. Looks like a very melted gingerbread man. Very melted gingerbread man. Looks like you packed on a couple pounds. Gingerbread pounds.
There you go.
Well. Yeah. But yeah, so don't know what we're doing today. I've got a few tasks to do. Need to put some fuel in the automobile. Catch up with you guys there.
So I'm out with my husband, just sitting in the car as usual, playing some Pokemon as well. Catching Pokemon that I need to. My husband's just gone to do some jobs apparently. I am tired. I actually cleaned up the kitchen today. I'll show you what it looks like when you get back anyway, because it was a mess and I mopped it as well. Just need to do the same to the front room as well. But I'll show you anyway what it looks like when I get back. And I actually show you my bed covers, because I said I'd show you my bed covers, and I actually didn't show you my bed covers, which was a bit like bad of me. Yeah, I'm just have to have this thing here because the sun is right there. Like the sun is right there, and it's blinding me. So guys, I'm in Sofology. You tracked me down. I'm just looking at sofas I can't afford. That's my life.
So guys, we're home. My beautiful wife is just there. Yeah, she got pissed off because some idiot, old idiot, was walking his dog, but he was walking
on the road when there's a fucking park.
He was walking it in the car park. The cars were trying to get past. And he didn't care. Like the dog almost ran round him and tried to run in front of my car. Luckily, I wasn't going very fast and I could stop. But yeah, that really upset my wife because she loves dogs. And she hates it when people treat dogs shit. It's okay, baby.
Responsible.
I know, it's okay, you're home
now. Oh my god,
now.
you're so warm. Why are you in covers?
Because I'm so warm, apparently. But yeah.
Put your leg down now.
There's my beautiful wife.
Put your leg down, Daniel.
Got lunch.
No, we I don't know what we got.
We got lunch. My wife's got a Boxing Day lunch with Monster Munch and
the
Red
TV
Bull.
guide. The Christmas one is out now.
Did you bring it up with you?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay, cool. Making sure you didn't leave it in the car. So that was fun. And yeah, now we're just sat home watching some Simpsons.
my husband, as I said downstairs, this is the December 18th. This is the 2-week one, and then I'm going to buy the one in the new year. So I'm just circling every Christmas. Let me just put you down, otherwise you'll be like, whoa, what's she doing? What's she doing? So every year I buy one of these, and then I circle what I want to watch throughout 2 weeks, and I feel like I do stick to it most of the time. So Michael McIntyre, The Wheel is going to be on the 18th of December, because we do it for every day. And me and my husband love Michael McIntyre, The Wheel. Then we've got the Chase Celebrity Special. Love that. So I might have to record that, because it finishes at 9:30. But I might record Michael McIntyre, The Wheel, because my husband might be working that day.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me.
So yeah, that never comes down there. Never does. This time it's coming down here. It's really weird. Never comes down here, but it's coming down here. It's cold.
Good evening, guys.
I'm into the noodles.
If you're not wearing Christmas jumpers at this time of year, Darth Vader will have a chat with you. He finds your lack of cheer disturbing.
Darth Vader will have a chat with you.
Otherwise, yeah, it's 5 minutes to 8. We're gonna have dinner in a minute.
Why aren't you having a stir fry from M&S? Oh, yeah. that one's a bit high. Do you want that one or that one? It's a bit high.
Have the little lower.
Hang on.
No.
Oh, we've got wine, which is one of my favourite wines.
So we got duck, stir fry strips. Good idea we're making this now, so we can make a mess when we show it to the camera. Got egg noodles. And then we got rainbow stir fry, which is now falling out.
No.
Well, it's okay. My wife cleaned the side earlier, so it's all
Yeah, I did actually. With the floor on.
Yeah. And then we got plum hoisin. So we actually got, baby, we actually got the correct.
I know.
So it was for the correct protein. I picked the protein and the noodles.
No, you didn't. I picked the protein.
No, sorry. I picked the sauce and the noodles. My wife picked stir fry veg and the protein. And then for dessert,
my husband picked that.
Damn right.
There you go. Put it more.
Damn right. Damn right. I'm going to put that in the fridge.
Pass me it.
It's got to be cooked.
Yeah, I know. Okay, 187 minutes. There you go.
You can't do it till the
Oh yeah, do you want to get my wine out so I can show them my wine?
So, the wine my wife got, she absolutely loves it. It's that one from M&S.
Bit more centre.
I think she got it from a YouTuber.
Yeah, look. Watch.
It was focused.
There you go.
It's just backwards. And I, of course, got a bottle of beer. Tsingtao.
Oh, some coleslaw. Is that about some coleslaw?
Yeah, go for it.
Some coleslaw.
Yeah.
Do you have some coleslaw with your thingy?
I actually missed coleslaw yesterday because I didn't get a fork in there.
Oh, do you want cheese, Jim?
after dinner cooking time, guys. Hang on. So yeah, we've cooked dinner.
I'm gonna try it.
This is how much wine is left out of the bottle.
No, it's not.
I'm joking. There you go, guys. Charlene taking the first bite. Cheers, baby.
What?
How was it?
Mmm. Mmm.
Oh yeah.
That's really good.
Right. We're gonna get our eat on, and we'll see you later.
Wow.
Dinner has been devoured, and now we're about to devour
I think it was done for long enough.
dessert. You put the timer on for 7 minutes, didn't you?
But the oven wasn't preheating.
No, because I put the oven on before you put the timer on, so it was preheating.
Which thing?
Yeah.
Cooled down really quickly.
Maybe it just does that. Took us a few minutes to get it out of the tray. Really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of cookie dough.
I'm fine.
You wanted it, so we got it.
Next time we get the brownie.
Did you show him? Oh, good.
I did, it's really nice. I was hoping my sink down. Yeah, it's in a veranda glass, I don't give a fuck.